Schwab US Dividend ETF is probably the most well-known dividend ETF out there, so let's look at some facts about Charles Schwab's US Dividend ETF. The expense ratio is 0.06, which is essentially a free ETF, right? It's a dividend ETF, so you're receiving more in dividends than you would have to pay in expense ratio. So that's always good to see. These are the major holdings of the ETF. As you can see, these are very stable companies like PepsiCo, Pfizer, Altria. These are somewhat predictable businesses, and that's kind of what you're seeking for when you buy the Charles Schwab US Dividend ETF. So the most important thing is, are these companies overvalued? So as you can see, the price to earnings ratio is 14.91. I believe the S&P 500 price to earnings is at 17 currently. So it is somewhat undervalued relative to the overall US market. However, these companies do have slower growth, and therefore you can justify paying a lower PE.